guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm back with another nail video. This time it's a really easy marble nail art technique. I want to show you guys this thing I saw on Instagram because it seems like it has to be the easiest way to get marbled nails. As always, I'm using Beetles gel polish and one shade from Born Pretty polish. So if you're interested in learning how I got this marble nail art and want to see like the easiest way to get marble nails, then just keep watching this video. Okay, so to start getting this marble nail look, you're gonna need a lid, or if you have one of those like, I don't know, cool looking rock palette things that they use to mix colors, use one of those. I have a lid, so I'm gonna be using this lid, and that's what I'm going to mix my colors on. This is a technique that I've seen on Instagram, Born Pretty polish. They do this technique a lot, and they make all these little videos doing this technique, and at first, honestly, I didn't think it was going to work. So I actually did some swatches before this, and these are my purple swatches. This is me using like the colors that I knew I wanted to use for this video. And then my mom really liked it, and so she had me do some like teal turquoise-ish color with gray, and then also just to show that it really works with like any color combinations, I did this like pink and green. These are all using Beetles gel polish sets, and I just did a bunch of swatches because I wanted to make sure that this was actually going to work. So now I'm going to show you guys how to get this really easy but absolutely beautiful marble nail art. So first you're going to need your colors. So I've gone with a purple color scheme here. I have the Beetles Gel Polish Mermaid set. That's what these three shades are from. And then I have, of course, my white, which I use a lot. You guys probably have already seen it if you've seen any of my nail videos. So this is 894. It's the white. Then we've got 856, 855, and 854. I've got a light purple, a dark purple, and a sparkly purple. And we're going to put these colors together to get this. Alright, so I'm going to start with 856, which is the dark purple. And I'm just going to take a line of this. And what I did for my other hand is I took 2 lines of dark purple. Then taking the light purple, you pretty much just don't want to wipe off the brush. You just want to pull the brush out and just... Then taking the sparkling one to go in the middle here. I'm just going to take some white. The white can be a little overbearing, so I try to make the white, like, I do wipe off the white a little bit because it can be a little overbearing. Now that we've got that and the white seems to be seeping, then you're going to take a little dotting tool and you're just going to like swirl it. I have to film this for a TikTok, so I'm not going to talk during this part. Then you just run this through it and swirl it. And then the crazy part to me is what comes next. I genuinely did not think this would work ever. Then you just take this and you just scoop up the product. And then I just realized I forgot to put on the nude polish beforehand. I'll be right back. Okay, now that I'm actually prepared, then you just take your scoop of nail polish and you put it on your nail, and you kind of swirl it around. This one has a lot of dark in it, and it's probably just because it sat there, honestly. Just go back in, and you do it again. I kind of like having like the little bits open in the middle. I don't know why, but I just kind of enjoy that. And also when doing this, you want to make sure that you're not getting too much like thick polish on your nails, because it is easy for the polish to get too thick. And you don't want the polish to get too thick, because then it will not cure properly, so you don't want to get it too thick. I also like that each nail is different. I'm actually going to add a little bit of dark polish to this one, because like I like them being different, but this one just looks like a completely different color scheme almost. I'm actually going to go cure these, and then I'm going to do my thumb. So now the nails are cured. Now I'm going to do my thumb. Scoop up some product here. I also do think it's kind of better to do like squiggly motions so that you can still get that marbled effect. I actually really like how open this one looks. I think I'm gonna leave it that open, but then it kind of makes it look like a rock, like a jewel. All right, now I'm gonna go cure that now that I've cleaned it all up. Then of course make sure to top it off with the Top It Off top coat. And just make sure to lock everything into place. Then you just want to cure that for 100 seconds. Now, like always, finishing up my nails with some nail oil, or some cuticle oil, I guess. And that's all. That is all it takes to do this really easy marble nail art, and it looks so neat, and every nail is unique, and I just really like it. I also really like the effect of leaving like some of that nude polish showing from underneath. The nude polish that I used is the Born Pretty Nude Jelly Nail Polish in Caged Bird. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you enjoyed this little marble nail art hack, I think it's very easy to use. I've done it so many times now with my nail swatches and finally got to do it on my actual nails. And it seems so easy, and I feel like it's honestly a good use if you have a bunch of nail polish colors and you can't decide which ones. Mix them together, add a sparkly nail polish and a white, and you've got yourself some really cute marble nails. Anyway, I think that is all for me for this one. I post new videos every week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!